Welcome 9th grade students to ADA channel, where academic excellence begins.
We embark on a journey of learning and growth. Get ready to learning new topics with your favorite trainer Miss Sabi.
Introduction to atoms.
Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. Everything around us, including our own bodies, is made up of atoms.
The concept of the atom has evolved over time through the contributions of many scientists.
Historic development of atomic theory.
During 460 to 370 BCE, Democritus proposed that matter is made of small, indivisible particles called atoms.
During 1766 to 1844, John Dalton introduced the first modern atomic theory in 1808 and suggested that atoms of each element are identical and have specific masses.
During 1856 to 1940, J.J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897 using the cathode ray tube experiment and proposed the plum pudding model, where electrons are scattered within a positively charged soup.
During 1871 to 1937, Ernest Rutherford conducted the gold foil experiment in 1909 and discovered the nucleus and proposed that atoms consist of a dense, positively charged nucleus surrounded by electrons.
During 1885 to 1962, Niels Bohr developed the Bohr model in 1913 and suggested that electrons orbit the nucleus in fixed energy levels.
Basic structure of an atom.
Nucleus, located at the center of the atom, contains protons, positively charged particles, and neutrons, neutral particles.
Electrons, negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus in various energy levels or shells.
Subatomic particles.
Protons are the positively charged particles found in the nucleus, and mass is approximately 1 atomic mass unit, AMU.
Neutrons are the neutral particles found in the nucleus and has similar mass to protons, approximately 1 AMU.
Electrons are the negatively charged particles with very little mass compared to protons and neutrons, and mass is approximately 1/1836th of an AMU.
Atomic number and mass number.
In atomic number of protons in an atom's nucleus, and it determines the element's identity.
In mass number, total number of protons and neutrons in an atom's nucleus. Mass number equals number of protons plus number of neutrons.
Isotopes.
Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. This results in different mass numbers for the isotopes of an element.
Examples are carbon-12, 6 protons, 6 neutrons, carbon-14, 6 protons, 8 neutrons.
Electron configuration.
Electrons are arranged in energy levels or shells around the nucleus. The distribution of electrons in these shells follows specific rules.
The first shell can hold up to 2 electrons. The second shell can hold up to 8 electrons. The third shell can hold up to 18 electrons, but is stable with 8 in most cases, octet rule.
The periodic table.
The periodic table organizes elements based on their atomic number and properties. Elements in the same group, column, have similar chemical properties because they have the same number of electrons in their outer shell.
Groups are vertical columns. Elements have similar properties and the same number of valence electrons. Periods are horizontal rows. Elements have the same number of electron shells.
Chemical bonds.
Atoms form bonds to achieve a stable electron configuration. The main types of chemical bonds are ionic bonds and covalent bonds.
Ionic bonds are formed when electrons are transferred from one atom to another, resulting in oppositely charged ions that attract each other.
Covalent bonds are formed when atoms share electrons to achieve stability.
Summary.
Atoms are the smallest units of matter.
They consist of a nucleus, protons and neutrons, and electrons in energy levels.
Atomic number determines the element, while mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons.
Isotopes are variations of elements with different neutron numbers.
Electrons are arranged in shells, influencing chemical properties and bonding.
If you like the video and want to learn more topics on science like motion, matter, energy etc.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos and get the opportunity to learn and grow with us.
Thanks for watching ADA Learning videos.